You're late. The sky is getting temperamental.
That's not the only thing, is it? Master Franklin, sir. My name is Shay, and this is my associate Hope. William Johnson told us to give you these.
Thank you, but I'm afraid I must delay my experiment.
Delay it! Why?
The Army confiscated my lightning rods. They are essential to conducting the electricity I need to vivify your box.
Master Johnson would not want you to have to wait.
Perhaps there is something you can do, then. Soldiers have been hauling things away all day. Perhaps they could tell you where they've taken my lightning rods so you could get them back.
At your service, sir.
Begin your investigation at the market near the docks. I will stay here and help with the preparations.
This is intolerable. I can barely conduct my research anymore.
Everyone is having metal confiscated nowadays.
Yes. The Army will melt it down and turn it into weapons. War is upon us. A radiant yarn. It temporarily stores power in the form of vitreous and resinous electricity.
Really? What will you do with the jar when destroyed?
What will I do with all my jars? For this experiment, we will need an entire energy storage system. The many units fire at once. So I call it a battery. It should make your interpretation box operate.
Yeah.
The weather's getting worse. You know where the warehouse is, soldier?
Aye, sir.